Hi there, my name is Tawfiq Omer Osman, math teacher. In this video, I will explain for the grade 12 scientific chapter 1 graphs and linear models. And in the lesson 1, I will take part C, symmetry of a graph. Symmetry of a graph with respect to the y-axis. The graph of the function f is symmetric with respect to the y-axis if satisfies the relation f minus x equal fx for all x in the domain of function f. In this case, f is said to be an even function. The graph of the function f is symmetric with respect to the y-axis if each term has an even power, like fx equal x to the power 4 plus 2x squared minus 3, fx equal x squared minus 3, fx equal to cosine x, are an even function. If a symmetric function with respect to the y-axis pass through a point xy, it also passes through a point minus xy, which means if we take 2 points with the different sign of x, it gives the same y. If we have a graph of a function, if the left part of the graph of the function is same as the right part, then it be symmetric with the y-axis. As you can see in this graph, this part which is in the left side is the same with this part which is in the right side of y-axis, and this part which is in the blue color is the same with this part which is in the red color is same, so we can say that this function is an even function or symmetric with respect to the y-axis. These kind of functions are called uneven functions. Symmetry of a graph. Symmetry of a graph with respect to the origin. The graph of the function f is symmetric with respect to the origin if it is satisfy the relation f minus x equal minus f of x for all x in the domain of the function f. In this case, f is said to be an odd function. The graph of the function f is symmetric with respect to the origin if its constant term is 0 and all other terms have an odd power, like fx equal x to the power 3 plus 2x. 3 is odd and 1 here is odd, then this function is an odd function. Fx equal x to the power 3 or x cubed is an odd function. Fx equal sine x, fx is equal tangent x are an odd functions. If a symmetric function with respect to the origin passes through a point xy, it also passes through a point minus x minus y, which means if we have 2 points different in the sign of x and y, but in value is equal, these 2 points are symmetric respected to the origin. If we have a graph of a function, if the part of the graph of the function in the two opposite quadrants are same, as you can see, we have in the quarter 3, this part which drawn in blue color is the same with the part in quarter 1 which is drawn in red color, and this part which is in quarter number 2 is the same with the part in quarter number 4. That means the graph it will be same if we have the opposite quarters. These kind functions are called odd functions. Example number 3. Show that the graph of the function fx equal 2x cubed minus x is symmetric with respect to the origin. Solution. Note that all the power of the function are odd. This one is 3 and this one is 1. So we can say that the function is symmetric with respect to the origin. To be sure, check this. Find f of minus x equal 2 times minus x cubed minus x. Minus x cubed is minus x cubed times 2, then minus 2x cubed plus minus times minus is plus x. And now take the fx and multiply it by minus 1. Minus f of x equal minus 2x cubed minus x. Then it equal minus 2x cubed plus x. We can see this part is equal to this. Then f of minus x equal minus f of x for all x. So the function is odd. Check it out. Number 3. Show that the graph of the function fx equal to x to the power 4 minus x squared plus 2 is symmetric with respect to the y-axis. Solution. Note that all the power are even, so we can say that the function is symmetric with respect to the y-axis. Here we can see, here is 4, here is 2, here is 0. All of them are even, so that the function is symmetric respected to the y. To check that, find f minus x equal 2 times minus x to the power 4 minus x to the power 2 plus 2. Minus x to the power 4 is x to the power 4. Then 2x to the power 4 minus x squared is x squared. Then is minus x squared plus 2. We can see that is equaling to the function fx for all x. So the function is uneven. Example number 4. Sketch the graph of the function fx equal to x squared over x squared plus 1 minus 1. Solution. First of all, let us find the intercepts, horizontal intercept and vertical intercept. To find vertical intercept, let x be to 0, then y equal f of 0, which equal 2 times 0 square over 0 square plus 1 minus 1 is minus 1. Then 0 minus 1 is the y-intercept. let y be is equal to 0, then 2x squared over x squared plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Take minus 1 from left side to the right side, then it become 1, and make a cross. 2x squared equal to x squared plus 1. Take x squared from right to the left and subtract it, then x squared is equal 1. Take a square root for both sides, then x equal plus or minus 1. Then, therefore, minus 1, 0, 1, 0 are the x-intercepts. Note that all the power of the x are even. Then the function is even. And now, first of all, drawing one side, the left side of the function, we can see the function passes through minus 2, 0.6, and minus 1, 0, and 0, minus 1. This is the part of the left side. The part of the right side is the same, only change the sign of the x. Here we have minus 2, here become 2, here we have minus 1, here become 1. The 0 is become same thing. So this is the part of right side. Check it out. Show that the function fx is equal to x over x squared plus 1 is odd, and complete its graph. Solution. As you can see that we have 2x is an odd function and x squared plus 1 is an even function. Odd divided by even is odd function. To check it out, f minus x equal 2 times minus x over 2 plus 1. 2 times minus x is minus 2x, and minus x squared is x squared plus 1. This equal minus 2x over x squared plus 1 is an fx, then it will equal minus fx. That means the function is an odd function. And this graph we have the part in the quarter number 1. Quarter number 1. The other parts will be in the quarter number 3. To draw that graph, take all points with the opposite sign. We have here 1, 1. We will take minus 1, minus 1. And we have here 3, 0.6. We will take minus 3, minus 0.6. And then we will draw the graph like this. Notes: odd function plus or minus odd function is an odd function. Fx equal x cubed plus x, gx equals sine x plus x cubed plus 1 over x are an odd function because x cubed is odd, x is odd, then fx is odd. Sine is odd and x cubed is odd and 1 over x is odd, then all the summation of all them is odd. Even function plus or minus even function equal an even function. Fx equal x to the power 4 plus x squared plus 2, x gx equal cosine x plus x to the power 4 plus 1 over x squared. even function plus or minus an odd function is non-symmetry. Fx equal x cubed plus x squared, hx equal x cubed plus 4, gx equal cosine x plus x to the power 4 plus 1 over x. Attention, these notes are not true all time. For example, if x is 4x minus x plus 2 square. Look, we have an odd function for x and even function for x plus 2 square. That mean is non-symmetric. But if we open this bracket, then it be 4x minus x square minus 4x plus minus 4, then cancelling 4x with 4x, it remain fx equal minus x square minus 4. It is an even function. Notes: even function time odd function equal odd functions. Fx equal x cubed times x squared plus 2. X squared plus 2 is an even function and x cubed is an odd function. Multiply of them is an odd function. Gx equal cosine x times tangent x. Tangent x is an odd function. Cosine x is an even function. Multiply of them is an odd function. Even function time even function is even function. Fx equal x to the power 4 times x squared plus 2, and gx equal 3x to the power 4 times cosine x are even function. Odd function time odd function is an even function. Fx equal x cubed times sine x is an even function. X cubed times tangent x is an even function. Sine x tangent x is an even function. It is same if operation is divided. Even over odd is an odd. Even over even is even. Sine odd over odd is an even. If under square root is even, then function is even. X squared plus 2 under square root is an even function. Cosine x plus 1 is an even function. Under square root is an even function. If under square root is odd, then function is non-symmetric. X cubed minus x equal is non-symmetric because we have an odd function under square root. Here x plus sine x is odd function, under the square root is non-symmetric. If under square root is non-symmetric, then function is non-symmetry. Fx equal square root of x cubed plus 1. Hx equal square root of x plus x squared. Gx equals square root of cosine x plus sine x. They are non-symmetry. Note: the absolute value of odd and even function is an even. fx equal absolute value x cubed plus x is an odd function, then fx is even. X squared minus 1 is an even function, then gx is an even function. In other cases, non-symmetric. Fx equal x squared plus x is non-symmetry, and gx is x cubed plus 1 is non-symmetric. Question: which of the following function is not odd? When it say not odd, it may be an even or non-symmetric. A. Fx equal sine x plus 1 over x. B. Fx equal x squared minus x plus 1. C. Fx equal x cubed minus x. D. Fx equal x cubed plus x. And now you think which one is the correct answer. Excellent. Number B is the correct answer. Why? Number A, sine x is an odd function plus 1 over x is an odd function, and we will take that the sine x is plus 1 over x is an odd function. So, odd function plus odd function is an odd function. This is not a correct answer. And B, we have even function plus minus odd function is non-even, neither odd, which means not symmetric. Fx, we have x cubed minus x. X cubed is an odd, x is an odd. Odd minus odd is an odd function. D, fx equal x cubed plus x. Odd plus odd is an odd function. Then the correct choosing is number B. Another question: which of the following function is odd? Fx equal cosine x. B, fx equal x squared minus x plus 1. C, fx equal x cubed minus x. D, fx equal x squared plus x. As you can see, the odd function is number C, because we have odd minus odd function is an odd function. Cosine is an even function. X squared minus x plus 1, even plus odd is not even and neither odd, or not symmetric. Number C, odd minus odd is an odd. Number D, even plus odd is not even and neither odd. So the correct answer is number C. Question: write an equation of a function whose graph has intercept at x equal minus 2 and x equal 2, and it is symmetric with respect to the origin. Solution: to find the equation of the function, its intersection is minus 2 and 2. First of all, write the product of intersection in numerator like this: x minus 2 times x plus 2, and then to make it an odd function, write an odd function in denominator. Let be x. Then when we open this bracket, it will be like this: fx equal x squared minus 4 over x. To check it out that is true or false, let fx equal be to 0, then x squared minus 4 over x equals 0, then x squared minus 4 is equal 0, then x square equal 4, then x equal plus or minus 2. Is check it that the intercept is minus 2 and 2. Because we have an even function 4 in numerator and odd function down, then the function is an odd function. The function is symmetric with respect to the origin. Homework. The function is odd or even. Fx equal x over absolute value of x plus 1. B. Fx equal 3x minus 1 square plus 6x. 2. Which of the following functions is not even? Fx equal x square minus 2 cosine x. B. Fx equal x square sine x plus cosine x. C. Fx equal x sine x plus 5. D. Fx equal x square plus 2 cosine x. Here we reach the end of the function. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe the page and share it with your friends. Thank you. Goodbye.